Consider the following statements about Vienna Convention and diplomatic relation. So it is about Vienna Convention. So what is this Vienna Convention? We'll see actually. So Vienna Convention is international treaty that defines a framework for diplomatic relations between independent countries. Okay. Suppose this is country A, this is country B. What happens? Country A diplomats will be working in country B, country B working in country C, and C will be working. So something like that. Okay. So similarly, this is also the case: C to B, B to C. So something like that. So what kind of immunity they will get? These diplomats working in other countries, what kind of immunity, what provisions they got? All these things actually they will be dealt by Vienna Convention. So it is an international treaty that defines framework for diplomatic relation between independent countries. So that is the first statement, which is true actually. Next is it specifies the privileges of a diplomatic mission that enables diplomats to perform their function without fear of coercion or harassment by the host country. This forms the legal basis for diplomatic immunity. Its articles are considered as cornerstone for modern international relations. Okay, it enables diplomats to perform their function without fear. That is what the next latter part of the explanation told about. So hence both statements are correct. So Vienna Convention on diplomatic relations is about how the countries should treat each other diplomats in the other country, that is in the host country, how the diplomats should be treated, what kind of immunity they'll get. All this will be dealt. Okay. Hence option C is the right answer. Next we will move to the 24th question. So World Giving Index is released by which of the following? So World Giving Index, what is this? Actually World Giving Index, it ranks over, actually this World Giving Index is by Charity Aid Foundation. Charity based on the data produced by Gallup. So this Charity Aid Foundation rank over 140 countries in the world according to how charitable they are. Okay, how charitable they are. The aim of the World Giving Index is to provide insight into the scope and nature of giving around the world. So nature of giving around the world. Most recent edition was published in November 2006 with Myanmar, the United States and Australia ranking as the top 3. So various countries, based on these things, Myanmar, US and the Australia ranks, they rank top 3 positions. Okay, so that is the thing. So Charity Aid Foundation is how giving actually, how nature of giving around the world. Okay, that is the intention. So how charitable the persons in that countries are. Okay, how the governments are giving these things, charitable things, something like that. Okay, so this published by this World Giving Index is published by Charity Aid Foundation. Next thing, Global Hunger Index Report International. So this the option it has given International Food Policy Research Institute. International Food Policy Research Institute publishes Global Hunger Index. Okay, Global Hunger Index. Okay, so here answer is option B.